Are you looking for the best fuel transfer pumps? In this video, we will break down the top 3 fuel transfer pumps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Fuelworks Fuel Transfer Pump Kit. With the Fuelworks 103057088A12V15 GPM Fuel Transfer Pump Kit, the handling of flammable fuels is made more comfortable and safer. The fuels include gasoline, fuel, and diesel. It has a high and fast transfer rate of 15 GPM. The motor is also worth 12 volts, which facilitates quick and efficient fuel transfer. The nozzle has a manual operation, and the holder is lockable and measures 14 feet, which improves its efficiency. The pump chamber has a heavy-duty cast iron construction which ensures that it lasts for a very long period serving you. The fuel transfer pump ensures a convenient way of transferring the flammable fluids, which include gasoline, diesel, and kerosene. It has a high transfer rate that guarantees a quick transfer, hence saving on time. At number 2. Fill-Rite Fuel Transfer PUM. The best fuel transfer pump is a DC-powered unit with exceptional performance, 12 voltage capacity, a manual release nozzle, suction pipe, and 12-foot wire delivery hose. We were duly impressed by this pump 15 GPM flow capacity. This means you can use it for everything from kerosene to B20 diesel to E15 gasoline fuel transfers. The motor's 12-volt DC power sports a 0.25 horsepower rating. This makes it a solid choice for high-intensity fuel transfers utilizing a wide range of fuel types. The flow pump has a non-continuous, positive displacement design. This promotes proper suction while transmitting sufficient flow out of the inner chamber. The Fill-Rite FR1210G also caught our attention because it is very portable. It weighs in at roughly 34 pounds, so you can transport it in the bed of your truck or the back of your car without issues. When completely assembled, the unit extends 17 inches in length by 11 inches in width by 17 inches in 8. The automatic nozzle is an excellent bonus touch, as is the included 18-foot power cord. At number 3. Koehler Multi-Use Siphon Fuel Transfer Pump Kit. The Koehler Enterprises Multi-Use Siphon Fuel Transfer Pump Kit is a safe and useful tool. It acts as both an air pump and a siphoning tool for transferring fuel, or any other liquid, between containers. It's designed to be a do-it-yourself tool that can be used in home garages or in professional settings like construction sites. The kit comes with a siphon pump, 2 hoses, and a universal attachment to fit most any knob, lever, or switch. The device is also lightweight, compact, and easy to store. Whether you're bleeding the gas from a John Deere tractor or using it on your personal vehicle, it's a great tool to get the job done. However, it may be considered too small to tackle larger fuel drums or tanks. This means it may require several pumps to function.